13 Things Not to Do in New York. Don't tell the cab driver where you're going before getting in. When you need a cab, don't inform the driver where you're going before getting in. If you do, the driver may refuse to go that far or attempt to avoid your journey. Instead, hail a cab, get in, and tell them where you're going. Try using the subway or walking wherever possible. Taxis in New York frequently get delayed in traffic, so getting a cab may take considerably longer than planned. Don't buy a sandwich from Subway. While Subway is a big company, New York City offers some of the best delis in the world, so don't settle for one of their sandwiches. Instead, go to famed delis like Carnegie Deli, Katz's Delicatessen, or 2nd Avenue Deli on 3rd Street, where you'll find much fresher and more delicious options. However, avoid Katz's Delicatessen because it has become a popular tourist destination, and the experience may not be as enjoyable as it once was. Don't get into an empty subway car. Getting into an empty subway vehicle is usually a bad idea. There is usually a reason why it is empty, perhaps the air conditioning isn't working, or there is something unpleasant, such as spilled fluids. It is best to wait for another car that is more crowded or appears cleaner. Don't stop on the sidewalk. Do not be the tourist that stops in the middle of the sidewalk to look at a map or take a picture. New Yorkers are expert speed walkers, so don't get in their way. Don't make small talk. New Yorkers are not known for their calm, patient, welcoming temperament, so don't expect to strike up idle conversation on the street. They are frequently willing to give directions, but only to demonstrate how well they know the city. Don't pay for a Statue of Liberty tour. While a tour of the Statue of Liberty is a popular choice for many visitors, it is frequently costly and not the greatest way to see the monument. Alternatively, you can enjoy the same sights for free by catching the Staten Island ferry. This 15-minute round-trip journey provides breathtaking views of the Statue of Liberty, Ellis Island, and the New York Harbor, without the high cost of a formal tour. It's a beautiful, pleasant, and reasonably priced way to visit some of New York City's most iconic attractions. Don't skip a museum because of the entry fee. New York City is home to some of the world's most famous museums, such as the Metropolitan Museum of Art, the Museum of Modern Art, and the American Museum of Natural History. While many of these schools indicate an entry price, it is crucial to note that these costs are frequently merely suggested and not required. This means you can pay whatever you can afford, allowing you to enjoy these amazing cultural events without financial constraints. Many museums also provide free admission on specified days or times, so check their timetables to make the most of your visit. Don't use an ATM inside of a store. If you need cash when shopping in New York City, be wary about utilizing ATMs inside establishments. Although these machines may appear convenient, they are frequently a trap designed to charge you excessive withdrawal costs. Many store owners offer these ATMs as a service, although the cost of withdrawing money can be significantly greater than using a bank ATM. To have a better experience, use ATMs situated in banks or standalone machines, where the fees are often lower and more visible.